The latest on the coronavirus here in Connecticut. The governor's briefing wrapped up about an hour ago. Let's take a look at the latest numbers. More than 15,000 tests were performed. 213 came back positive. The positivity rate down to 1.3%. Hospitalizations, though, went up by 3 for a total of 191, and there have been 3 additional COVID-related deaths. So COVID fatigue, it's when you start easing up on following the COVID-19 health guidelines, and doctors believe it's leading to a rise in positive cases. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Courtney Zeller is joining us live now to show us what this could mean if we all become complacent. Courtney.
Well, Aaron, doctors say COVID fatigue is leading to the 3rd peak in the country this fall. They also say, we've come too far to throw it all away. When it comes to easing up on coronavirus health guidelines, Anna McIntosh isn't one of those people.
So I have children at home and I have my elderly patients that I take care of. So I have to be very, very cautious. So I nonstop.
But there are some who have relaxed on following the recommended guidelines in place to help stop the spread. Eyewitness News asked, are you taking the same precautions you did at the beginning of the pandemic? 89 of you said yes, while 11% said no.
It's scary. It's still scary.
But doctors say this isn't the time to let your guard down.
Over a period of time, there's been a little bit of a lull that has set in, and folks have are just not sticking to the guidance as much. And this is a critical time for us.
In Connecticut, coronavirus cases have been on the rise for the past few weeks. This week, the positivity rate topped 2%, up from less than 1% this summer. Some doctors believe COVID fatigue is to blame.
I strongly do feel that the 3rd peak that we're seeing in parts of the country is linked to COVID fatigue because folks are tired of sticking to public health guidance. We see it around the world. And we're seeing it in European countries that are going in for their 2nd lockdowns. We can prevent this.
Doctors say now more than ever is the time to do your part.
Especially as we enter the flu season and the winter season, it is critically important we rededicate ourselves and repledge ourselves to masking, distancing, avoiding those large gatherings. That's key.
And doctors also say make sure to wash your hands often and get your flu shot this season. They also say if you miss that social interaction, it's okay to hang out with friends, but at a distance and wear your mask. We're live with the mobile newsroom. Courtney Zeller, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.